Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. I was recently at the Walmart and picked up this Casio watch for $29. You can't see, it's too much glare. $29. So I've been kind of waiting for it to go on clearance, but it never did go on clearance. So I ended up buying it anyways. So cause I like the color. It's like a flat, dark earth. I seen it on Amazon. I think they have one at $28. I'll see if I look it up here in a second. But I'm gonna try to do a video on how to set it because you can see it's not right. Right now it's actually 1:36 Sunday, 1:10. So and it thinks it's Tuesday, so October. It thinks it's October. So I'll unbox it and try setting it. Oh, got this knife here, Gerber. I bought the Sumo. I'm gonna be doing a unboxing and review on. It's a pretty cool little knife, but alright, so get that out of there. Pop this out. It's got a 10-year battery supposedly. Has a light, so it's kind of cool, tactical looking. So there's the, oh damn, that's a thick book for a watch. Look at this. What does it do? Yeah, it's like this is the book for it. Does it do stuff that I don't know about? Look at this. Oh crap.
Does it tell
Look
time?
at this thick book.
Well,
That's the thick for a little watch. 4, 6. I hope maybe it might cut in this video and trying to figure out how to set it, but we'll see. We'll give it a little shot. So let's set this aside. We need, I don't know, we might need the directions or we might not. I don't know. We'll see. Just see what we can do.
read directions anyway.
I know. Shut up, Mrs. Edge. Alright, so adjust. So usually usually when they have like a silver, there's the screws. So looks like it has a metal back. Looks pretty cool. So, and we will see, try the mode. That must be a stopwatch. No. Oh, there's 12. Now, let's try this button. Alright. None of these buttons do anything. Split. It has to be this button here. That didn't do anything. Uh-oh. Let's do a peek at the directions real quick. Let's see. Oh, damn, it's small. Holy crap. Clean. Wait, what's this here? Marking. Operating protocol. Dual time. Vibration alarm. 1 lithium battery. That says that's a pretty big battery. CR 2032. 10-year, 1 2-second light operation per day, and it should last you 10 years. It says. So, man, this is hard to turn this. Set alarm time. Let's see. Set countdown. Turn timekeeping to set the time and date. See, it's E6. We'll skip to. We're actually going to try using the directions here because we got here E4 dual time mode. I don't know what that means. All right, so timekeeping. So it says I got a flow chart. Hard to see. Got a lot of glare, but that's not really going to help you. When I stumble through it, you'll probably get more out of it. Well, hold down A, which is the top corner. Alright, so they want you to hold down A, which is this button here. Oh, it did it. Okay, second. So now it probably scroll through it like normally any other watch. Okay. So we're back there. So we want there. So I'm guessing. And what time? I don't know if that's. Oh, see, it's 1:40. I don't know. Let's see if that's AM. Okay, so A again. Oh, I gotta hold A again. This is A, and then this, like this button right here, scrolls you through, and this button here, this button is how you change the time. It goes down. So, and we got to get to one. Man, these buttons are tight. I don't know if you really got to push hard on these buttons. Let's see. Got to get to 41. What time is it? 141.
142.
142. So, okay. So we're gonna this button here select slot. Goes side to side and puts it on. Now we're in the 12-hour. We're gonna use it 12-hour, not, and it is. So I'm gonna use this button here. And that should change the date to 1. And this button here, select it to, and the day is the 10th. Ah, crap, I have to go all the way around. I should have left it alone. It's the 10th. No, you see that. So I have to go back around. Oh, wait, I've already been around. So 110, using this button here, I'm going to move it to the year. And we want it to be, oh wait, it's 12. No, it's 12. We want it to be, this is 21? We want it to be 21. Huh.
That's the year.
That's crazy.
2021, that night.
Oh, right, but it only has 1/20/21. So 1/10/21. And I think I'm back, so I guess I probably hit A. And it's Sunday, 1/21. Sunday, 10/21.
10/21.
Unless that's a Sunday. Well, it don't make sense. 10/20. Yeah, Sunday, month. Oh, wait, no, it's not month 10. What the hell? Wait a minute.
Today is 1/10/21.
What the hell? There's no 1. It says Sunday. Well, maybe what happens. No, I don't. Well, I think I had it right. I think that's weird. And I don't. 10/20. No, that don't make sense. October, I know. But I know I'm just messing. Let's hold this again. But it's got the Sunday, right? But but when I go to,
don't have to put the year in.
no, it shows a year. It's a months. 1, so I got it selected. 12 hours, and then 1. The year, the month is 1.
And then
the day is 10, and the year is 21.
Yeah.
So that's how they said it. And then so it shows on the screen Sunday 10/21. But that would mean it's October. That don't. I'm not sure why it came out that way. But the date is right. It's not right. Unless it's, that makes no sense.
I don't know. Are you boring your watchers?
Maybe, I don't know. Well, I got the time right, so that's cool. We'll stop the video here for a second. Okay. Alright, here I got it all figured out now. It took me a second or two. So I got it set for Sunday 1:10. So, but when you go to set it, of course I showed you before, you go hold this in. It flashes that. This button here selects it to where you want. And already, I got some glare now going. On the hour, minute, back up to there. So 12 hours, you don't want it 12 hours, well, 12 or 24. So the first flashing number is the year. So I put it wrong. So that should be 21. Press it again, and this is the month. It's flashing 1, and then flashing the 10th day. And that's back around, and you press this button here, So that's how you set the date and time. This actually has a vibration. I didn't know well, you can set your alarm to vibrate. Let's see. I'll look. So I don't exactly know how to do that, but it has a capability of so you wouldn't have an alarm going off audibly, but you'd hear it. You'd have a vibration that vibrates. So that's kind of cool. That's different. Never heard of that on a watch. Have you ever heard of? Well, I mean a cheaper watch. I mean, but it has a vibration, so you can set your alarm to vibrate. So, but it's pretty cool. So, just kind of did like a little unboxing and set the time and date. So all right. So there it is. Oh, it has the light. I never showed that, but you see it's two dual lights. It looks like. So there you go. And like I said, this indicates there's like a little thing up there that indicates if it was at 12 o'clock, that little light there would be on vibrate. But all right. So I got Walmart for $29. Has a 10-year battery life, so shouldn't have to worry about the battery running out. So pretty cool. All right. Catch you next time. Remember, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. Bye.